Hi. What I want to talk about today is something controversial. It's about drinking seawater. This is something that's becoming popular. It's kind of a fad thing to do now, drinking seawater. But still, lots of people doubt about this because there's lots of... we learn so much about not drinking seawater. This is something that, of course, if you would be stranded, if you would be on a shipwreck and you're in the middle of the sea, you shouldn't be drinking seawater because it's gonna be too heavy for your system. It's gonna have too much salt, so your body's not gonna be able to handle it, and that's gonna bring lots of problems, and you might even die. But still, drinking small kinds of seawater can be very beneficial for your health. Basically, I'm talking about salt. So we're so used to consuming table salt. That's actually very bad for your health. Salt, sea salt, it's much richer. Actually, it's salts, plural. The sea has lots of salts, not just the regular kind, but it actually has different salts. Like it has potassium, it has iodine, magnesium, Epsom salts, not just common table salt. And what salt actually is, it's sodium and chlorine. It's actually sodium that's burning, that bursts into flame and reacts with gas from chlorine. That's common table salt, and that's what's in the ocean actually too. But salt in the ocean has much more variety of salts. So basically, seawater has about 3.5% salt, while the human blood has 0.9% salt. So we can't metabolize that. It's over 3 times more salt than what our blood actually has. So, but the minerals in our body, actually the proportion of minerals is very similar to the proportion of minerals in the sea. So my idea, or actually the way you should consume seawater, it's like homeopathic remedies, diluted. So homeopathic dilutes. You can dilute a little bit of water of the seawater into water. The more diluted, according to homeopathic, the better, the higher effect. Actually, when you're diluting seawater, there's the molecules, the salt molecules start to get further apart. There starts to be more room between them, and that makes it easier for us to absorb them. Dilution, molecules apart. Higher dilution, the higher effect. So, and actually, it's different nutrients that we have in water that we're taking in a group. Some people wanna give like individual nutrients based on symptoms, but you can't do that. You have to take nutrients in groups. And actually, the way that we can consume seawater, because if we get too much salt, our body collapses. Our kidneys can't handle it. Our blood can't handle it. Our digestive system can't handle it. So what we actually need to do is to improve our diet first. We need to take lots of green, lots of fruits. That way we're gonna get potassium. We're gonna get phosphorus that we're finding in vegetables. And with that phosphorus, that's gonna help us handle this seawater. So we can dilute just a spoonful of seawater into a glass of water and have a proper diet. Eat proper superfoods like spirulina, pollen, chlorella, healthy fats, omega-3 fats, chia, flaxseed, hemp seeds, and getting lots of sun also. Vitamin D from the sun. That's actually the best, this morning sun. And the benefits from drinking seawater are enormous. It's good for the immune system. It's actually alkalizing. It's alkalizing your blood. It's good for asthma, for allergies, and even for weight and skin problems and heart problems. Many benefits. So read more about this in the blog. Okay? Have a great